The Three Little Butterfly Brothers. तीन छोटे Levi. There were once three little butterfly brothers, one white, one red, and one yellow. They loved each other very much. Every day played in sunshine, danced among the flowers in a beautiful garden. They never got tried because they were very happy. One day it began to rain heavily and where wings got wet, they quickly flew back home. But when they got there, they found the door locked and what was lost. The key was gone, so they had to stay outdoors in the rain, and they grew wetter and wetter. Helplessly, they tried to look for a shelter. Just then,